Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be unboxing July's box charm, and I have the box right here. So if it is your first time watching, please subscribe, join the family. I hope you look around, I hope you enjoy my channel, and if you do, welcome. Hi, hello. I like to say thank you so much for my returning subscriber. Love you guys for coming back. Thank you for coming back and watch my video and support me. So let's get into this video so don't get so long. Alright, so let's do this. So July's box charm, it was a good box, I have to tell you that. I love it, all the stuff that we got on this box. So we're gonna start here with the little card that come in. This one is say Al Naturale. Alright, and the first thing on this month box charm is this Elements Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I already tried the mask. I tried yesterday, and the mask feels really good on your face, and the skin looks very beautiful afterwards. And this one is Defined by Nature, Led by Science. So nourishing prebiotic green mask. So this mask actually is really good. I tried, and this one is good to feed the skin with a versatile super green mask formula with avocado and broccoli seed oil, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, to help support the skin moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit extract help brighten and fresh look the complexion. Girl, stop it, this is fabulous. I used one time already, and I love how my skin looked after I used it. So yeah, I am a big fan of Elements product. I think you guys saw it on some of my skincare favorite on this channel. I love the cleansing balm and the marine facial cream. It's fabulous. So yes, this mask retails for $35. Wow, great. Only this pay for the month box. Fabulous. So the second thing on this July box charm is the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyes palette. And here is the palette. It's super cute. I have like a wood texture. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Come with a nice mirror, and this is the shades. Shades are very pretty. So I'm gonna try one of the shades, one or two of the shade on. I don't think so, because I already have a little bit of eyeshadow on my face and I don't want to mess that up. So, but we're gonna try this palette on one of our coming up makeup look, because we're working on that, girl. So this little Butterlon palette retails for $32. Wow, fabulous. I love the shades, they're very pretty, very beautiful. You can create a numerous look with this. And you got here 2 matte shade, and you got 4 shimmery shade, which is very beautiful. So yeah, thumbs up for this Butterlon palette. And the next item here is Luxie 3-piece brush set. Brush, it's always more merrier, so yes, keep them coming. So I also tried already the brush, and that's the little Luxie Gaia. I don't know, that's how it talks. So Luxie 250 large eye blending, Lux 246 precision crease brush, and Luxie 510 foundation brush. And here is the 3 brush. They are very pretty, and they have a Luxie printed on them, and they say here what's for. So this one is the foundation brush. Like I told you guys, I already tried before we talk about it, so I know how good it perform. And this brush is so soft, so nice, very good, the foundation brush. And you have here the precision crease brush. If you do like a cut crease or something like that. This little guy here is gonna help you very much. And then you also have the blending brush that I already used to. Yes, so the brushes are very nice. I tried them, so I can tell you guys how nice they are. So, and this brush set from Boxy retails for $30. Wow, we're already on like almost $100 on this box. That's fabulous. All right, so the next one is Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl lip gloss, and this lip is so pretty. But even though you see the color look like it's a little pink, but when you put on the lips, it's actually very sheer. So it smells fabulous. I'm telling you what this smells like. It smells like bubblegum. I swear. But that's the shade I'm gonna show you guys. And I would use this as a lipstick topper. It is very pretty. Have a nice sheen too, so it look very nice on the top of her lipstick. You see how beautiful that sheen it gives? Yes, so this is, it smells delicious. Feel like eating. It smells like bubblegum. So, Mother of Pearl gloss, okay. Sirenita, like a Little Mermaid or little, yeah, Little Mermaid is what the name is. And this lip gloss retails for $10, which it's very nice and definitely worth your $10. So, last but not least, here on this July box charm is this Appeal gel liner, and the gel liner retails for $21. Line and define your eyes or lips with a new Appeal gel liner. Wow, okay, so you can use this on your eyes or on your lips. I don't know why I would wear this on my lips, but okay, there is taste for everyone there. The shade, it's like a kind of an olive green, something like that. It's a dark green color. I will not wear these on my lips because I don't like the shade on my lips, but definitely use this on my eyes. It looks very nice, and it is very creamy to the lip liner. And this one, like I say, retails for $21. It's very nice. And also in the box, July box, it came this ready for flash facial from July 7th to August 3rd. You have $10 at Ultra Bar. You just have, I think, to call for see which Ultras have elements Ultra Bar, so we can get a facial or whatever. So this is really nice. Thank you. And that's all for July box charm. I hope you guys had a fabulous 4th of July. I did. I wasn't able to upload this past week on my normal schedule. That would be Wednesday and Friday. This past week I was so busy with work and, you know, life as we go, you guys know. So I didn't have time to upload nothing for you guys. I'm so sorry about that. But today, Monday, I'm gonna come back to my schedule, and I have another video for Wednesday and Friday, so we go back to be on point with our scheduling appointment. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys have any question about July box charm, or if you guys have any question about box charm, please drop in the comment below. If you don't know, box charm is a monthly subscription box that you pay $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products like you guys see here. Fabulous brand, and every month they have different brands, different product, brushes, palettes, all the good stuff that we love, and it's definitely worth the money. Always you get a box with over $100 value, and you only pay $20 for it. So I will link the link on the description of this video for box charm, in case you guys decided to try it out. You can try for 1 month. If you don't like, you cancel. That's it. So yeah, fabulous. So that's all for this video. I see you guys next video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys to the moon back. Bye.